Good morning, everybody. It's Dhaval. It's day 3 out here in Mexico City, and it's a beautiful morning out here. We just left our hotel, and we're going to be entering, I guess, a very historical and I guess very religious graveyard here for Dia de los Muertos. I think it's called the Dolores Graveyard and Cemetery, a lot of people come to pay respects to their families and things like that during Dia de los Muertos. The tourists, as you can see here, are all lining up to enter, and this is the main entrance here that I'm looking at. And, we have to be very discreet when we're filming inside there and taking pictures, just out of respect to the families and everything. But yeah, it's should be very interesting. I'm looking forward to it. And see here, we're all lining up ready to get ready to go. And later, believe it or not, we're going to be taking a cable cart. See the one up there? Yes, I hope I'm seeing it properly. That runs over the graveyard, so you can get an aerial view of the graveyard and the city. So that'll be happening later on today. And yeah, it should be a lot of fun. So I will be checking in with you guys a little later. We're going to be walking inside the cemetery right now, and this should be pretty cool. So I might even go get my face painted later on today. So you can kind of see now we're just inside the main quad, actually. Isn't that really cool? This is like really amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this camera off here and take some pictures, but I'll check in with you guys a little later here from the Dolores cemetery here. Okay, take care. Bye. Hey everyone. Okay, so we just entered the park. I'm kind of speaking quietly out of respect for everybody, but you can kind of see as I'm kind of turning around here and showing you there are a lot of graves here of the dead, and yeah, people are out here commemorating their loved ones. We're here kind of early in the morning, so it's not as crowded, but you can kind of see this is where a lot of people here have passed away and laid to rest. It's very quiet here, but not in a creepy way, but I would say more in a spiritual way. And kind of get an idea of what I'm looking at. You got to see this, like, kind of see this rotunda here. Alejandra, did you say that there were a lot of famous Mexicans that were also laid to rest here too?
Yeah,
like
for example, Diego Rivera, it's right there.
Oh, okay. Yeah, Diego Rivera's resting place. Wow. He was a famous artist.
This is Diego. Is that right?
This is Diego Rivera's
So this is the husband.
resting place here. Wow. Look at that. That's so cool. So I'll be walking around here, but I just want to give you guys a shot of everything here. And yeah, just really cool. I'll be coming back here hopefully later with some more videos. Okay, this is part 3 here as I'm inside the cemetery here, but as you can see, there's like all these, it just goes on and on and on, all these various tombstones. And right over there, as apparently this graveyard now is like filled to capacity, and they have a crematorium there now for families that they can go to and cremate the bodies here, as this graveyard is filled to capacity. There's some families like just walking up there to pay their respects, but just wanted to kind of give you guys a shot here of what I'm looking at. So I'm going to be walking back here to my tour group, and I'll be checking in with you guys a little later. Okay, everyone, we just finished our tour of the Dolores graveyard, and you kind of see this. I just wanted to show this little nice decorations up here too. Kind of cool. Anyway, we just concluded our tour of it, and now we're going to be taking a cable car, as you can see up there. Up on getting at that shot. We're going to be taking a cable car view of the city, and our tour guide right now is getting the tickets, so just wanted to let you guys know, and hope you guys enjoyed this tour of the graveyard. And it's really cool, very festive for the Day of the Dead here in Mexico City. All right, Dhaval signing off here. Bye.